Okay. So today I'm with Min Ge and Mike Mao, who are both working for a new startup company called IMAGEIM. Is that correct? Do I pronounce it well?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you for this interview, Min, Mike.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you for choosing us.
Yes.
Thrilled.
So Min, technology and IT are pervasive in many sectors nowadays, but IMAGEIM specifically targets retail. So can you tell us what is specific about the retail industry?
Retail is very traditional industry, and it's hard to use the IT or use the technical to increase their productivities or something like to improve the customer experience or to enhance the sales revenues.
Got it. So how does the IMAGEIM try to help?
Well, in retail industry, we provide the consultant service to the brand, to the shop, or to the manufacturing. Even we also help the people, the rich man who want to improve their image. Okay. Yes, so we provide
personal brand management.
Yes.
Right. And do you work for specific retailers, or is it just any kind of retail?
Well, actually, we have some specific fields such as clothes, accessory, and maybe we will help you to choose the right color, customization, something like that. Yes.
Okay. All right. And are you working across China, maybe overseas as well?
Well, of course, we want to cross China and across the world. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I'm here for. We're running a global retail innovation
we
center.
Mike to join us. Yes, for the global business. Yes.
Okay. So, Mike, I can see a mirror behind you with very nice pairs of glasses. Do you have specific activities in the field of glass and optic retail?
I guess I'll talk about it. First of all, we don't serve all retail clients. We don't serve clients who sell snacks. We don't serve retail client brands who sell, food, or we serve particular types of brands, retailers whose product requires a mirror, whose customers need to see themselves wearing or putting on their product in front of a mirror. And as you can see, we're surrounded by different mirrors. And that's how we started. That's how IMAGEIM started, providing smart retail solutions powered by mirrors. Basically, if you talk about apparel industries, and when people buy apparels and clothing, they need to see themselves in front of a mirror. And if you talk about cosmetics, you buy the cosmetics, you want to try that out, you want to see your skin, how they look like in front of the mirror. And if you we'll talk about accessories, including glasses or any accessories and put in your body. You got to see yourself like wearing that, in front of a mirror. And so we're serving brands and retailers. We're selling accessories, cosmetics, and apparel products. So these are the three major businesses we're serving.
So how can a customer use this kind of mirror?
Right, that's a great question. Basically, if you run a retail shop and you're selling clothing, right? And when the customer came in, instead of saying hi and let them walk around and start shopping, and a shop assistant will guide them in front of a mirror, and the mirror will instantly recognize the customers with the basic information, parameters, age, how many times they've been to the store before, and if they have a record, they'll pull up a record right away. And the size of a body, you're buying clothes, the types of the skin and the age of the skin. If they have any skin issues, you buy cosmetics, and the information simultaneously will show to the customer and the shop assistant for customers to realize, it saves a lot of communication time for the shop assistant. For the initial diagnosis, and the shop assistant will fully understand who they're serving. And so this is a facial recognition, image recognition, and they start with analytics. And then if a customer is trying to buy a pair of sunglasses, they can try on the sunglasses virtually using the AR technology, or if they're buying a different skincare product, and they can virtually test on the product and see how the skin looks like with that kind of product. Well, so that's a third step. And then after that, the whole process is not going to take too long. Okay, usually we do have data indicating that average consuming time for each product is about 75 minutes, but with that kind of machine that saves to 15 minutes instead. During the whole process, the IMAGEIM machine collects all the data and send them back to the management team, so they'll be able to see the precise data of the customer, well, with the privacy protected, obviously, and to realize, let's see, how many visitors per location, and what kind of skin types per location, and how many times they click by one product. They can collect all this customer persona information for them to analyze, and for them to predict, and for them to make the right choice. Okay, and then of course during the whole process, the customer will be able to receive the smart basically powered by our fashion experts, our skincare experts. It's a built-in system. So based on their skin type, based on their body size, based on their information, we're going to recommend the right product to them. Sometimes it's going to surprise them. Sometimes actually it happens many times.
Yes. So as a recap, first, the mirror can be helped to recognize and help the individual, the consumer, to understand what kind of product may be more suitable for her, for him. And the second, it will help to capture all the data and send back to the back end and make the analysis. And the second, and the third is that this machine will have the consultant foundation to help the customers to choose the right products.
I guess, do you want to take a few moments? We can show you a bit of a product and
Sure.
how you work and everything?
Definitely.
Okay. Okay. And Min's going to do the demo. I'll be holding the camera.
Perfect.
Okay. All right. So right in front of you is a glass module. So basically, people will be able to try their own sunglasses within. Right. So as
put on the glass shelf or even anywhere.
right.
Yes. Maybe they can open a new glass shelf.
Right. You recognize your face instantly as soon as you stand in front of that, and analytics done just like that, and it generates the full report of your face shape, your skin color, yeah. And you can see the full report by touching that button. Okay.
It can be skin.
And you can see the full report. Yeah, they'll recommend what kind of color that fits you.
Yes.
Wow.
And you can also download the report.
Download the report, yes.
By scanning the barcode.
Yes. And then back to the product recommended.
Right, and instantly recommends the product that fits you.
From 300 items. And then they will come.
So they actually recommend 2 items out of the 300 SKU data set. So telling, okay. And you can try that on by clicking the button. You try that on. You can see yourself wearing that, the AR. Can you see that?
It's terrific.
A picture?
Yeah, you can take a picture. So, and also you save that picture, you can try a different product on, and save the picture, eventually you'll be able to compare that. You can pick a different color and change the lens color, different color, you just kind of.
Okay. Can you zoom a little bit on Min's face? Oh, great. I like this color.
Right. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
I guess this brand just got a new customer. Right, and you can see all the pictures you took wearing different products. You compare that.
This is the last one. Yes. We just try on this. And this may be.
And can I?
Well, again, the quality of AR depends on the quality of a 3D model and the rendering. And so, better you do that, and the more authentic it's going to look like, and better experience you're going to create for your customer.
Can I send the picture to my phone or to a friend to ask for her opinion?
No problem.
Yeah, you'll be able to do that. Absolutely, totally.
And also, you can recommend the accessories.
And so this is the accessory part. So it not only recommends the sunglasses, it also recommends the earring, hat, that fits your style. So brands can easily upsell different categories, different product.
So that's image recognition, analytics, augmented reality.
Right. Let's start with the image recognition, analytics, and virtual try-on, backed by AR technology, and that collects information that generates customers' persona, that sends to the management team, and also smart recommendation of the product to the customers.
And of course, you can buy online.
Obviously, it's a full cycle shopping experience. You can easily buy that online.
Okay. And could you use this kind of solution for e-commerce, for instance, with your laptop and the camera on your computer?
Absolutely. Miro is just one medium. We can use that in your phone. You can use that on the laptop. You can use it anywhere you want with the interface.
Yes. So maybe we can look like another module such as.
Okay. Let's take a look at another module. This is for apparels. So again, she stands in front of a mirror. Recognize the face. Pull up all the data.
Mike, can you zoom a little bit? Come closer.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep. And you're gonna see some recommendation of your clothes that fits your style. And you're gonna see your report, your skin report, your style report, and your body shape report. This is style report. Any body shape report.
Let's go through a full cycle again.
Okay, let's do it again.
All right.
As a new customer, they will scan your facial.
Yeah. So here comes the report.
Yes. And
Sure.
for the body shape.
You want to click the start. So each body shape is located by 16 important points of your body. Everybody's the same, 16 points of your body. That comes stuff like that. You can see.
You can see.
Right, and based on the allocation of the 16 points, the engine will recommend your tailor styles and apparels, and you can wear like it looks stunning. So
for me,
you could use all those measures to produce bespoke, sur mesure clothing. Just clothes for your body.
Yeah, we can definitely use that to produce custom clothing. That's not a problem. That's one of the applications this technology can create, I believe. So
Wow.
that's a great idea. And it tells you, what kind of clothes you can wear during, for instance, a party, or whether you're in a casual circumstances, or you're in the workplace, or you're walking on the street, and or you're on the beach for vacation, and everything. So they give you some really nice insights.
Wow, excellent. I've got a question. What is the role of the seller, of the human seller in the shop now? Because powerful tool, what does this change for his job?
Right. Siobhan, it's absolutely a great question. It's something we'd like to talk about, the role of human in the shop together with IMAGEIM's machine. It used to be, if you're running a shop, you want to have a cashier, you want to have a shop assistant, you want to have people who would take care of inventory, who want to have a lot of people. People have different roles, but with IMAGEIM machine, because it's like you have an expert assistant in the shop for skin product, for apparel product, for accessories. And what shoppers need to do, what shop assistant need to do is to guide them through the whole process.
It can be useful for small shops who do not have expert sellers, and then they can provide very good expertise to their shoppers.
Absolutely. It's something small shops should have.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you for the demo. It's quite impressive.
I'm glad you like it.
So now if we try to understand the strategic positioning of IMAGEIM, how would you define the key benefits both for consumers and retailers?
I'll talk about it, and perhaps Ming can add a few inputs. I guess for retailers, it falls into three major metrics will be to help retailers. First is going to be a cost. The cost of the cotton.
It will help to reduce the inventory.
Right. The cost of setting up a store, instead of opening a 50 square meter or 100 square meter store, spending millions of yuan or dollars and euros or yens, and you can just buy a machine, IMAGEIM Miracle. And if you take a look at the ones behind us, is embedded with the shelf. You can hand your product on that, or you don't have to, or you can just putting all your inventories within the machine, and equip with one shop assistant. So save the inventory, save the startup cost. The second is going to be the speed. The speed for customers to try out different product. I think this is one of the biggest pain points for retail industries, and the try out time and the cost and communication costs. That's huge. It stops people from buying the right things. I'm not saying they should buy a bunch of them, but just buying the right things. You can't just go into a t-shirt shop, buy a t-shirt. You have to go to another shoe shop to buy shoes. But within IMAGEIM, you can buy everything at once. You can try out things like instant. Basically, a few seconds you can try on one thing, and a few seconds to try another thing. Coupled with the smart recommendation, it definitely improves the efficiency of the shopping efficiency. Third is going to be customer experience. It is driven by, first is going to be our AI, artificial intelligence, backed by a big data set of, if you're talking about skincare product, we have tens of millions of skincare data sets built in, and coupled with skincare experts' devices recommendation engine. So they'll know exactly what they have, what kind of skin they have, what kind of what kind of skin problems they have. They'll get basically the top expert. Instead of going to see a skin doctor, instead of going to see a skin expert, spends a lot of money, they'll have that recommendation built in the machine, and together with a product, you could buy and try that out within 10 seconds or 15 seconds. So it dramatically improved the customer experience. And there's a record we actually ran, the NPS score, Net Promoter Score, basically without IMAGEIM, it was about 15 to 20 for that particular brand. With IMAGEIM, increased all the way to 60 to 70. So that's a huge jump for the brand itself. So I guess combining cost, speed, and customer experience, we're definitely helping retailers.
Okay. And what is the business model for retailers? Do they need to rent the mirror? Do they need to buy it? How does it work?
Jerome, I was waiting for the question. Why are you asking so late? we're selling solutions. No, we don't just sell solutions. There are three business models. We work with retailers. First is going to be you'll be able to get one of the IMAGEIM machine and mirror into your existing shops and create stunning new, a surprising experience for your new and existing customers. So new retail experience, okay? And to equip with just one shopper system and bring it to the customer, surprise them, they'll love it. Second, it's gonna be a pop-up store. If you wanna start a store, go open a shop, instead of spending a lot of money, spend very little, and for that kind of location, bring a mirror, bring this machine to the location, and your shop is open. That's it. Very easy, very fast. Third is going to be we empower retailers to run a franchise model because the system, the whole IMAGEIM mirror and the shopper system is very, very simple. It's very scalable. So you'll be able to run your own franchise store just like that. To attract franchisees, the business model is very simple. And the turnover, you can see that. So these are three major business models. We like to work with our retail and brands. So, yes.
And in the field of the COVID crisis, are there any benefits for this kind of solution? Because maybe you don't need to touch anything, so maybe that could be interesting for customers.
We talk about post-COVID-19. I mean, what COVID-19 stops people is from moving. So they can't go overseas, they can't travel quite a bit. They're afraid of going to the crowd. They're afraid of visiting shops. So I guess this is one thing that stops people from, and it really turned down a lot of retailers. Unfortunately, that particular pain point, we've realized that, and we feel very deeply about it. Right, and one thing that IMAGEIM provides is customers can just stand in front of that mirror and shop from anywhere in the world. First, they'll be able to shop remotely, and they'll be able to try out stuff remotely, and they'll be able to. Right, not just the mirror. We also have a mobile version, the tablet version, or and more importantly, as you're going to have a person, not a person, but an AI assistant who is a fashion expert, who's a skincare expert, tells you what to buy, what to wear, what to put up. So this is just a glimpse of benefits we can create for customers during the post-COVID-19 period, during the COVID-19 period. And for the retailers, is they can easily set up a store. They don't have to hire that many people. They'll be able to serve customers seamlessly, and as I said, they reduce the cost, accelerate the buying process, and provides a better experience.
So. That's quite exciting. On a corporate level, what are the key challenges of IMAGEIM in the couple of next years, maybe within 2 to 5 years?
Right. Well, it falls into two things we like to do very, very bad. The first, we want to improve the customer experience. We want to improve the technology. We want to improve the AR. We're also discovering new solutions to replace AR, for instance, NVIDIA's GAN technology. And
we want to explore more the portal or the websites to have more the business connections. Yes, because the remote solution and the mobile solution will have more people to experience that, and more branding will join us and to provide their products to the customers. That's the next generation we want to quick to engage. Yes.
Okay. And
Right.
sorry, does your solution also work with Western countries, or is it just for Chinese, or what do you think?
Oh, absolutely. That's what IMAGEIM's new Global Retail Innovation Center is for. We want to cooperate with as many brands as possible. It falls into 3 categories in cosmetics, apparel, and accessories. We want to work with those brands. We want to promote we want to help them with their solutions. We want to discuss with them. Always start with a talk and whether we're going to be a good fit or not. And we'll like to do some, proof of concept with them. Discovering what will be the best way for us to help them, and how are they going to be able to open more shops, sell more product, and please more customers. That's definitely one thing we're going to work on. The second thing, as I talked about, is to improve the overall shop experience. The quality of AR, whether it's our solutions for it, and the whole customer journey, everything. The third is going to be we're going to work on basically how to help brands set up their IMAGEIM store more quickly and more effectively. And we'd love to talk to more Western brands, brands in Europe, brands in North America, South America, Africa, Middle East. We're gonna be traveling, but not right now. We're gonna be using Zoom.
I wish I could use such a solution to buy glasses or to buy clothes and surprise my wife. Easy when she will tell me, "Oh, okay, at last you can buy clothes on your own."
Well, it's our ultimate goal. Well, eventually it's going to happen. You're going to be the first to know for anybody.
Okay. Well, thank you, Mike. Thank you, Min.
Thank you.
Thank you, Siobhan.
Yeah.
And I hope I can meet you in real life soon.
Yes, you should. China misses you.
Welcome to visit us.
Yeah, please visit us.
Sure.
Okay. All right.
Have a nice day.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.